Hey friends, Zen Kahuna here. Time for double ball staff. Oftentimes you've seen me use this for swinging movements. It also works well with the two-hand grip for various forms of Qigong or calisthenic moves. So this one is going to be, first of all, overhead. You're going to do a rotation, so you're diagonal. You're going to step out diagonally and then reach the staff forward and down, then back and up. Then bring it forward again and step back and come up. Then you just do the same thing on opposite side. So your diagonal twist, step out, forward and down. Bring your rib cage right down to your thigh if you can. So rotate, step out, down, and back up. So just get this pose for a moment, just right here. Keep the knee so it's aligned with the foot. Back up, step back. Arm up, rotate, step out. Same thing on this side. Stay down here for a moment. Check. You have equal distribution of weight on the inside and the outside of your foot. Is your knee in line with your foot? And back up. So look at it from the side. You stay that way, Marga. So from the side, I'm going to rotate, diagonal lunge, and down. Back up, rotate, and back up. So normal speed would just be pretty much what we were doing. Take your time, get a good position, stabilize, push up. So you see the back arm, this arm here is right on top of the staff and you're pushing back with the lower hand. And back up, rotate, final time, out, and back. Okay, so what I would suggest is anywhere from a total of 12 or 24. So counting both sides. So 1, 2. Make it fun, stay strong, live free.